I am so grateful to have received some Christmas presents this year. I know by the time this video goes up, it will be just before Christmas, but I thought we'll have like an early Christmas Day opening. And yeah, just share them with you because some of them I do need to eat like soon. So let me open the first one, which actually I need because the lights are getting a little dim. So I got a little packet here, and this is from a member from the gym, and this is the second time? Yeah, last year he gave me one, this year he gave me again. He's like, I am just giving you some new batteries. It's so funny. So sweet, okay? He bought me, wow! Even higher end now. Last year he got me some GP Power, which I actually used them for quite a while. And then now I got this new Energizer one. And you're probably like, did somebody just give you batteries? They are so good for teaching class. These are emergency batteries. I always run out of batteries, but today I'm gonna put them at the back. So I'll be right back. Can you see? They are brighter now. Thank you for my batteries. I always appreciate them. All right, so I got a delivery from Current Body. So sweet of them. I've been working with Current Body for several years now. I absolutely trust their products. I use their hair helmet, which I wasn't 100% on, okay? So I did my review. I said I don't see like significant difference, but I have been consistent for a long time. And my scalp looks so healthy now. I mean, occasionally I still get, my breakouts on my scalp, but I find that they heal so much faster. So yeah, I do absolutely love their things. So they're so sweet. This is my first time receiving a little gift from them. They sent me a little gift. Oh my gosh. It's a bit of tea. Tea. We love tea. So this is from TWGT. And oh my gosh, it's one of their, I think it's like a holiday pack. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Ah, look at that. I got so much nice tea. Red Christmas tea. Okay, I can't wait to drink that. And then we've got white night jasmine tea. And I also have the geisha blossom tea. Yum, I'm going to be drinking tea. And actually, it's good to drink tea, right? I'm trying to make it maybe I'll make it a point. I will make it a point to drink a little bit of tea every day because I think it's good for us. All right, I have one funny one here. So we had a little Christmas dinner the other day and he gave each of us 100,000 yen. This is so funny. This is so funny. It's actually a fish cracker. So if you peel it open, you know what? I'm going to do it now. I'm going to peel this open. Ooh. And it's a big Christmas, like a snack. Oh, so good. This is the kind of snack that you would eat with a bit of beer or any kind of like, and just sit there and chew on it, like peel a little bit. So good. So unhealthy, but it's so good. During the dinner as well, another friend gave this. This is a top fabric stain remover. And basically, it's one of those that you can just carry along with your bag. And if let's say you get a bit of curry stain or you get a bit of, kind of soya sauce stain, all you do is you maybe put a tissue under the shirt and then you sprinkle it on top. What it'll do is dissolve the oil or the sauce and then it will sink through the clothes. Basically, it's like it's not a bleach actually. Okay, maybe it is. I don't know. You see, it says it removes sauces, juices, coffee, wine, blood, cosmetics. It's suitable for white and colored clothes, cotton, silk, wool, polyester, all will work. So even has like a little picture at the back. So if you're interested, this is what it looks like. I believe this you can buy at any kind of donkey. So small and so handy. This is going to be very useful. I'm going to take this out straight away and put it into my handbag. Another friend gave us socks. Eee, look at this, so cute. Is this a Lulu? Oh, it's a Lululemon sock. Wow, fancy. Let me take it out now, so that I will use it straight away. Wow, that's so cute. This nice pair of socks. Okay, I'll use it. I will use it tomorrow actually, yes, because I have class. And then another friend gave eye mask for like tired eyes. Isn't that fun? So it's a hot eye mask care. I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna put it on tonight, just rest my eyes, because I think I will really benefit from these eye masks. I also received a Nespresso advent calendar. I actually bought one myself, so I was like, oh my gosh, now I have two. So this is what the advent calendar looks like. There are 24 pods, and every day is different. Now, some of the pods come from their regular classic blend, but then they do have some Christmas ones. Like today was like a vanilla. It's really nice. So I'm really happy to get another one. I'm gonna keep this for a little bit, and maybe one of those, like, maybe my birthday month, I'll just open this because it's my birthday month and I want to have an advent calendar for my birthday. So I'll keep this until March. And there is a, I think this is a cake? Mini golfers kuma. I'm not sure what this is. It's food, which is why we need to open stuff quickly because there are a lot of food around. They're like biscuits. They smell so good. Okay, so I'm not worried to finish them quickly. Mini golfers kuma. I guess they're cookies. Okay, I'm gonna keep them first for a snack another day. This is such a generous gift from my friend here, Joe. Thank you so much. It's a big bottle, girl. It's a big bottle. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's the Jardine sur le Nil. It's a moisturizing body lotion. I never can get enough of body lotion because it's because of all of you. I have like enjoyed a lot of different body lotions from different brands. So this is my first from Hermes. I have tried one from Chanel, also a gift, so luxurious. Actually, no, I have like tried 3 from Chanel. So nice. Okay, let's bust this out and smell. Wow! It's my favorite color. Is it? Oh my gosh, it's glass. Let's open it here. Wow. That is nice. That is really nice. Okay. Well, I'm still finishing up my Chanel one, so I don't wanna like use this yet, but I know once I start, oh, I'm gonna finish it. Okay. Thank you so much, Joe. I love it. A family friend gave this to me. She came back from the UK, and it's a bottle of perfume. I think I have several of these already. This is English pear and sweet pea. Wait, maybe I don't have sweet pea. I think I have English pear and freesia, not sweet pea. I think this is my first sweet pea. Let's take a sniff. Ooh, definitely not smelled this before. Different from freesia. Freesia is a little tangier. This is, I just smelled like my armpit, right? Because I sprayed it right here. Wow, that's so nice. Oh, I'm gonna thank her when I get a chance to see her. That's from a family friend. And then I got a few more. Another gift is from Chanel, and I took a peep the other day. I was like, oh my god, so exciting. Okay, this is what I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. And I actually got one. Actually, now I know why all of you are so obsessed with this material. It does look really pretty. This is the round shaped one, and it has a mini perfume 1957. This is such a nice bottle size. I have a slightly bigger version to this. This is one of my favorite perfumes. I really love it. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's one of those silica packets. Such a nice little pouch, and this color, blue, is really beautiful. I like the little sparkle that it has. It's also, what is this? I think it also there was also another free gift here. What is this? Let me see. Oh my gosh! Look at that small... That is stinking cute. Stop. Oh my gosh, stop it. Stop. No way. That is too cute. I love it. I love it too much. The final present is actually not for me. It's me buying from my natto. So I got her one of these necklaces. Again, I know I'm so crazy. So it's from Awoofi. It has all these little charms on it. Wait, let me take them out. There's a little sushi, a little gingerbread man. And this is like I think this is my favorite one. This little candy cane. And you can wear it on the necklace. So let me wear it now. And then it looks like this. And you wear it. Just dangles on her neck. Like that. Isn't that cute? I almost forgot about this too. This is the reason why I want to open it quickly. I got a panettone. I already ate another piece, so there was another, like a bread. I ate that this morning. Because these, yeah, I need to eat them quick. Oh wait, this one I can eat later. Okay, I got confused. There was a piece of bread that I needed to eat it by the 28th. So I ate that and I was like, oh my gosh, I got food. So I decided that today I need to open everything. So this is a panettone. I can put it in the fridge. I also got a little bit of honey. This is a blossom honey. That's so sweet, right? Let me open this one. Isn't that cute? Like a little honey as a gift. That's so nice. Oh, these are from gym members who came to my class and they just gave me a gift. Love. Anyway, those are the little presents. So thank you so much for letting me share them with you. I love every single thing, and it's not the value, it's really the thought. And yeah, I always feel so, I don't know, like embarrassed, shocked that people think of me when they buy a little gift. So thank you so much to everyone, and have a wonderful holiday. I hope you're having a wonderful celebration, and yeah, enjoy yourself, eat lots, laugh lots, and yeah, just have a lot of fun, make a lot of memories. Thank you so much for another wonderful year on YouTube. Thank you for the support, and I hope that next year will be even better for all of us. So anyway, everyone, please take care, stay safe during this holiday, and I will see you in my next video.